Hello my dear friends, this is Oleg and our weekly forecast for cryptocurrencies. I'm glad to salute everybody. Today we are watching and we regard 5 cryptocurrencies. This is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Monero, and our new buy, this is Dogecoin. We start with the most powerful and well-known cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. I'm glad to see your pluses in our chart. Let everything all right. The sound, the picture. Okay, I check it in 2 minutes. Our first pair is standby. Okay, this is a graph of Bitcoin. You'll see that all our goals which we planned in our previous webinar we reached. The first goal is most powerful psychological level 50,000 for one Bitcoin, the next one 55,000. Of course, well, the further target will be 6,000 for one Bitcoin. Is our next goal for this cryptocurrency. But 1 minute, 1, 2, 3, yeah. But now we'll see that the pair is on a very big accelerating impulse. It is good to wait for some pullback, for some correction. I think there is several levels of this correction. You see our trend lines, the main trend line, the first accelerating, the second and the third accelerating trend lines. The price got some accelerating impulses on the way. The closest one, this is trend line, okay, and the next one, this it is formed by these 2 points, this one and this one, and I think the most widow decision is waiting for correction. Of course, the price could continue move by the current impulse to the further level. But if we'll see that this trend line is breaking out, waiting for correction pattern, it's a ABC pattern, and I think sorry, yeah, this top is a key level for the ending correction. So it could be a continuing current impulse on this trend line, but if you'll see the beginning of correction, we are waiting for correction to this zone, and if here the price could form reversal pattern, zigzag or 1 to 3, it's a good setup for buy trades, for continuing buying until 60,000. And the second level for buy trades, this one is a pivot level. It's a key level. It is a math level. So if the correction will be deeper to this zone, they are also regarded as a good zone for buy trades, for bull trades. Even in the case the correction movement is stopping and forming reversal pattern from this zone. So we have two levels. The pivot level is 36,000 and a half, and and the previous level, the first level, is something of 42,000 and a half. Something about this. Okay. So we are waiting for reaction of the price near this zone, and if the correction trend line, this is a resistance trend line, will be broken and reversal pattern will be formed, it's a good signal for opening buy trades until the level of 55,000 and even 60,000 for one Bitcoin. Okay, I make a screenshot for our Bitcoin. My friends, you can watch and see our screenshots using the links below of this video. It's links to our social media accounts in Twitter and Instagram. I publish my ideas in these accounts, so you are welcome. I'm waiting you there, and very appreciate your likes, your subscriptions. Okay, we're continuing our survey, our forecast. Yes, I check our our chart. Wait, Ruslan, hello to you. Glad to see you. Hello, guys. Vadim, thank you very much. Okay, everything all right. So we are continuing. Our next cryptocurrency is a Ripple. So, my friends, I remind you that tomorrow the key news for Ripple will be occur. It's a court session. I remind you that American regulator CES gave the official claim against Ripple management. So it is necessary to wait some news for this court session. If we'll hear that Ripple management could settle this claim, could win the court. It's a good news for Ripple, and it could be the reason for to the moon movement. But if the regulator continue put pressure on Ripple, the faith of this cryptocurrency is not very good. So I'm recommend you to wait tomorrow news for further trade decisions. But as for now, we try to analyze our graph and it is some interesting formation on the graph. We'll see that current acceleration movement is the end, is ending. So this trend line is breaking out, and the price could formate the resistance, reversal trend line. Now it is on a pivot level. It is necessary to wait the reaction of the price. The main trend line is here, is formatted by these two support points. So now the question is how deep this correction will be. So lots a good zone for buy trades. Of course, we are waiting the reaction of the price from this pivot level. If the reaction will be next, the breaking out this resistance line, and if the price could gain a foothold on this level, it open us new targets for buy trades. This one, and even this one. The most distant to target is 67 cents for one ripple. But if this correction will be continue, I recommend you to wait when the price to close to this trend line, this inner trend line, something about this, and then we are waiting for reaction. We are waiting for breaking down this this pullback structure, something like this, and formating reversal pattern for further bulls movement. So this is two zones: the current zone and the zone of the main trend for our buy trades. Okay, I make a screenshot for Ripple. The next one, this is Ethereum. Ethereum showed us a good upward movement. So buyers completely seized the initiative and try to dominate on the market. We are continuing our trend line up to this zone, and now waiting the reaction of the price. We are also close to the pivot level. This is 1680 for one Ethereum, so we can assume that continued movement could begin from this zone. Okay, I show you on the graph. On this zone, our target levels, our goals will be the first one is resistance number 2, 2162, and the distant level 2292. So this is a first zone for our buy trades, and the second one is if the pullback movement will be deeper. We are waiting closing the price to this zone. It's something about 1800. Here we'll see the fusion of two signals. This is a big support zone and trend line. So if here we'll see the reversal pattern, it's a good setup for continue strengthening all these cryptocurrencies. Okay, this is our forecast for Ethereum. The next one, this is Monero. is our inner trend line. Let's mark it more colorful trend line, and the current situation will mark by this trend line, but it's not so waste, so this is acceleration trend line. Here we'll see the beginning of a correction. So we have two zones for our entering points. The first one is here, the crossing trend line, this support zone. Oh, sorry, I forget to expand the graph to see the distant target for our bull trades. Okay, this one. Yes. Yes. And the second zone is a correction a little bit deeper. I think it's a crossing with the trend line, the level of 206. So here you will see the ending of this pullback movement. It's a good setup for buy trades until these levels. Sorry, I have no more graph to continue our route. So it's not the ending of the buy trades. The ending will be also here. There is no space to continue drawing. Sorry. Okay, this is Monero, and our last but not the least. Ruslan, sorry, I didn't see your question, but we are regarded and forecasting this cryptocurrency Ethereum. I think it's a good pattern for continuing upward movement, but it is necessary to wait the reaction of the price from this zone, and if the pullback will be deeper, the next K zone, this one, if we'll see here reversal pattern, it's a good setup for continue upward movement, so we can manage here our buy trades up to these two levels. Okay, let's check our last cryptocurrency, Dogecoin. I think everybody knows that this cryptocurrency became famous when Elon Musk buy some amount of this cryptocurrency, and it got a good impulse for upward movement. But now the upward movement went to a correction. In our previous webinar, we marked these two trend lines. This is a support line and the resistance one. But a resistance a little bit need a little bit adoption. Okay, now this. Oh yeah, yes, this cryptocurrency formatted the flat movement, so there is no trend for now. It is necessary to wait when the price exit up or down from this rectangle. So what's our ideas? The first one, this is a bull idea. If the price could overwhelming this rectangle and breaking out from this and exit up, our first goal, this is the local top, something about of 88 cents for one Dogecoin, and the next one will be $1. It's a very strong psychological level for every new cryptocurrencies, and if the price could overwhelm this scale level, it open new good targets for continue developing and continue growth movement. Okay, I write this one USD for, sorry, 1 USD. It's our distant level. But if the price could break in this rectangle down, it's a bear signal. So we can wait the continue correction up to the level something about of 30 cents for one Dogecoin. If here the correction movement is end, we are waiting for some reaction. We check the behavior of players near this level, and if here we'll see the reversal pattern, we can continue our buy trades up to the first goal, this the upward frontier of this rectangle. So my friends, this is our point of view for 5 major cryptocurrencies. I'm glad to see you in our next webinar, and very appreciate your likes, your subscriptions. I wish you a good trades, good trade decisions, and see you next time. Sincerely yours, Kalmanovich Oleg. Bye bye.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.